We'd like to introduce our Pass It On pledge. Last year was a challenging one for many. As such, our team wanted to step up efforts to contribute to the common good. We will be donating 1% of annual sales to nonprofit causes and organizations. The aim is to make an impact on issues such as poverty, homelessness, and more. We're pledging to pass it on in a number of ways: by donating cleaning services to nonprofits and their facilities, by giving care packages to homeless, including backpacks full of toiletries and other necessities. We're looking to provide winter care packages to children in need. This is cleaning with community in mind. If you'd like to know more about our Pass It On pledge or to get in touch, please visit our website. From our team to yours, thank you.